welcome back for another lab for Consumer Chemistry at Pace University. We're here this week. We're going to be doing a lab on purifying water. We're going to be doing two different types of cleaning of the water, which one is called capillary action, and the other we're going to be doing filtration. So basically, I've got some dirt here from the front flower bed, and I've simply taken some of that and added it to some water to make it kind of cloudy, muddy, dirty water. We're going to be adding that to two different ways of filtering the water. Again, one being capillary action and the other is going to be filtration, where I'm using just a coffee filter and some clean sand. So as always, I'll zoom in and show you the whole process and write up the report and send that in. Thanks. Alright, so I've got 2 cups of water here. And then what we do is we've got 2 containers, equal size. I've already added 2 cups of water to this container, and I've marked where the level is with a Sharpie marker on the outside of this Tupperware container. What we're going to do is place this container here. That's going to be our clean water. Then to our 2 cups of clean water, I've got the dirt that I've collected from the front yard flower bed. Just going to take a small scoop of that. We're going to add it to the clean water and make it unclean water. So it's kind of ugly, nasty, dirty water that I don't think, just add a little more. I don't think anybody would want to drink this unless you're really, 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 really thirsty. So, hard part, making dirty water. Playing with dirt, playing with mud. Mother's Day was this weekend, so I'm sure moms all around will be happy that we're playing with mud in the kitchen. Alright, so the next part of the process is we're just going to add this to this container, our dirty, nasty, yucky water. And then I'm going to take my marker and mark that off where it is on the container. And I'll show you that. So I've got a mark of where that is on the container. Next, we're just going to place this here up above our clean water, taking a rag, cloth, woven cotton, preferably from the instructions. We're just going to dampen that here in the sink. Wring it out. And then fold it up a little bit here. Okay. So we'll switch that back over here so you can see what we do next. Next, we're just going to simply take the rag, spread it out in the dirty water, and we'll drape that down to the clean water. And then we wait. So this is going to be the capillary action. Obviously this isn't going to happen right now, and I'm not going to leave the camera running until we see something happen. That's why we marked the bowls, so we can see a change after some time. And I'll report back on that in the morning, or the next time I get a chance to video this, but that's that process, and we'll pick up later from there. Okay, so our next method of cleaning water is going to be called filtration, which is just what it sounds like. We're filtering water with just a simple coffee filter and some sand. So again, I've already got my pre-made dirty water here from the dirt from the yard. That's ready to go. As a comparison, we've got the clean water here. So you can see that's Charlotte tap water. And the dirty water that I've got there, which looks thirst quenching. So we've got a funnel that I've got set up here. I've already got a coffee filter that I've stuck inside my funnel. I'm going to set that up there. Then I've got some arts and crafts sand, since I didn't have charcoal available, that we're going to put down in the funnel. I don't think we'll need a lot, so I'll just add a small amount here and see how that works. So we're just going to simply pour a little sand in there. Alright, so simply empty glass, cup and a half of muddy, dirty water, and we're going to pour it in. So we've got that started, and it's filtering kind of slow, but we'll just add some more. So you get the idea. That's our filtration process, and I'll see if I can zoom in here a little bit. We'll add a little more so it's filtering through the sand and our coffee filter. But we'll wait for that to finish, and then once this completes and the capillary action completes, we'll compare the two and make our observations and submit that in a lab report, and also complete the video to compare and contrast. And until then, I'll see you next time. Alright, it's been about 8 to 10 hours, and it looks like the capillary action has completed. Kind of try to show this to you here. You can see that the water in the dirty bowl is pretty much empty now, and then just hold the towel up. The water, oops, that's dripping. The water in the originally clean bowl has increased, and it's pretty much all clean compared to what was in the dirty bowl. So let's see if I can show you that there. So what I'm going to do is take this water and pour it in a glass, and then we'll compare it to the water from the filtration. Alright, so I've got the waters here displayed so you can kind of get an idea of the clarity after the different cleaning methods. So in the middle, this is the tap water. Looks pretty clean. You can see right through the glass. Here's our capillary action water, and here is our filtered water. So, see if I can zoom in and give you a better view on those. I mean, just off the view from there, you can definitely tell the filtered water here is definitely not as clean as the capillary action cleaned water. and obviously neither of them are as clean as the water straight out of the tap. So the question was asked in the lab, if you were on a desert island and you needed to clean water somehow, which of these two methods would you prefer? Just off of my naked eye, I would definitely want the capillary action water more than the filtered water, which if I had to make a guess before this, I would have guessed the opposite. So I learned something. Anyhow, this completes the water lab, and again, as always, I'll write up the report and send that in. Thanks, and see you next time.